report is nearly 20 years old. A lot of its priorities that it identified are still very timely, and I want to cite a few with emphasis added by me. The first big one, remember this is 20 years ago, is global change, focusing on ecological causes and consequences of changes. Note that they were even then calling out in climate and in land and water use patterns. They were beginning to understand a little bit about what was happening with climate, and clearly starting to focus on global land use. Second major research priority that they identified was focused on biological diversity, changes in aquatic species, habitat diversity, and so forth, and effects of global and regional change. Again, this was at a time when we're starting to understand that humans are affecting the globe as a whole. There aren't any more pristine ecosystems even at that point. And then thirdly, thinking about the topic of sustainability and sustainable solutions, which is part of what this series is about. Restoration of damaged systems, starting to talk about ecological restoration, management of sustainable systems, recognizing that human management is a requisite. We can't just let nature take care of itself. And looking at the interface between ecological processes and human social systems, which is what a number of you here in this room, including Dr. Costanza, are focused on. SBI also recommended much wider involvement of ESA in the education of students, the public, and decision makers, and came up with this very nice framework which links research, education, environmental decision making to ensure the sustainability of the biosphere, to quote the report. The linkage of these three still very much permeates the work of ESA, including our structure, the way our program offices work, and other professional societies and academic programs like those here at UVM.